So if you want to create the database using the right click approach, all that you need to do is simply right click anywhere at the left hand side here. Just right click, go to create new, and then select what database. So when you right click and you select new, you go to select database, and after selecting database you will be given an option to change the or to enter the name of the database you are creating. Remember, this is changeable, it's not constant. So today you can create a database for students, tomorrow you can create a database for church, the next day you can be creating a database for any project that you are doing. Okay, so at the end of the day, the name here should kind of have a relationship with what you are doing. So let's say we are working with students. So the name of our database can be says, let's say student. Then just click on OK, and then you have your student created here, as you can see. That is one way of creating a database from this platform. Now the next thing is you can also create using what command. And then if you want to create using the command, just go to query, and then when you go to query, just click on new query lab. When you click on query lab, you have this platform opened for you, and this is where you are going to write all your SQL commands. After writing your SQL command, you just click on the execute button here. Now it is disabled because there's no command at the moment. If you want to create the database students again using command or script, you just type the word create. Now you say database, create database, and then you add the name of the database. So we are going to create the same students, but this time around we will add S to it, and then after we bring our termination sign. This termination sign is a sign that is telling you that you have finished your statement and you want to move on to the next level. After you are done with it, you just click on the execute button to run, and then when you run, you will see that no error came. This means your database has been created. But before you see, you have to refresh the instance. So you just refresh it, drop it down, and you see we have two databases. One was created using the command, and the other one was created using the right click approach. Do you understand now?